Hey guys, this is American Finance. I'm a financial minimalist. I have created this channel to share my success, failures, and experiences in personal finance and to support others who are thinking of improving their budgeting skills, investment strategy, credit score, and overall financial situation. So today, as you can see that I have deposited $200 into M1 Finance. So I'll be using M1 Finance platform to create and grow my dividend stock and my dividend portfolio. So I'll tell you all the strategy that I'll be using and keep you guys on the loop and update on my portfolio. I'll be adding all the stocks that I'm interested in and add it to my portfolio, and also quickly go over the M1 platform, how to use it. Before I started doing this, I created an Excel sheet and listed all the stocks that I'm interested in and categorized it with dividend yield. Quickly navigation tour in terms of the M1 platform. So once you log in, you'll see that you're in investment, you have your portfolio, and then within portfolio, what you need to do is create pies. So three pies for the dividend portfolio. So I have the dividend yield. I'll include all the stocks that will give me between 1 to 3% of the dividend yield. Then I have another pie that will give me 4 to 6%, and the next one I have is all the stocks that are 7 to 10% dividend yield. And I also have a blue chip pies. I just want to invest on those stocks. Those are golden, those are technology stocks. So I'll go ahead and include that on my portfolio as well. So let's go ahead and get started. Click on edit, and I want to add the Tanger outlet SKT. So what I'll do is click on add, and that'll bring me up to this page, and I'll look for SKT here, which is a Tanger factory outlet centers. As you can see that it has the PE ratio is 14.4. You want to have as high as possible, and then also the dividend yield is 10.66%. So this is a very good dividend yield. So I'm going to add this to my basket and click add here. So as you can see that SKT has been added to this my pie, dividend yield 7 to 10%. So I'm going to invest at least 70% of my money onto this stock here. Next, what I will do is look for another ticker. I think I already added Macy's, so next ticker will be APLE. You just type that in here, click here, and as you can see that APLE, Apple Hospitality REIT, is a REIT stock. The current dividend yield is 7.93, so I'm going to go ahead and add this as well, and add a couple of other ones. I'll add WMB, Williams Company, WMB, and that's 7.60% dividend yield. I'll go ahead and add that as well. And next I have OXY. I heard that Warren Buffett he invested a huge amount of money onto this stock OXY. So he's the greatest investor, so I would like to follow him. Add this to my portfolio as well, and currently it's giving 7.54%. I'll go ahead and add this. And again guys, just FYI, this Excel sheet I just started creating this. I'm going to build top of it. I'll add a couple of columns more, industry, ex dividend date. So I'll be updating this document as I go along. So let's add Ford stock as well. I'm going to add, since it has a really great dividend yield, so I'm going to add this as well. So, and next I will add is MDP, 7.34%. Next is MO. I'm going to add it. Next, yeah, I think that's all the 7%. So I'm going to stop here and go ahead and click all this stock into this pie that I created. Is going to be only the stocks that are between 7 to 10%. Let's give them a percentage here. So I know that our Macy's, so I'll just rearrange this a little bit, and let's go ahead and add it. as you can see, I'm still 20% over, so I need to readjust my percentage here to make it 100%. So let's do 15 here. And 5%. Let's do 10% here. So as you can see that I have 100% total, and now I'm able to save this. So let's go ahead and click save. Confirm. So as you can see that my pie, I have 8 slices. All the stocks are added here, and this pies already have been added to my portfolio. So next, move on to the next. Click on my pies and go to dividend yield 4 to 6%. I created that, and let's try to add the stocks that I think are between 4 to 6%. So I already added AT&T. That's a great stock, guys. So I'm really happy with it. So I already have this on my pie. So let's go back and let's add a couple of more. So I'll add IVZ. Add to basket. Next is HP. This one gives you 6.66%. Next is OHI. Gives you 6.3%. Omega Healthcare Investors Inc. So I'll add it to my basket. Next is Gain. Next is UVV. ENB. I'll add it to this. So I have added all this stock. So I'll right now, just like before, I will adjust it to make it 100%. So for this, I'll minimum have 10%, and then also 10% here. These I'll just do, let's see how many percent it is altogether. 80. All right, I'll do 20, and then I'll do 15, and Gain I'll do 15. So 100%. Click on save, confirm. I'm good with this dividend yield, all these stocks. As you can see, I have 8 slices again, and you can do more. So for now, I'll just keep it at this level. Next, click on pies. I will go to dividend yield that are stocks that are paying out between 1 to 3%. So for now, I already have Microsoft, Apple, which are golden stocks. These are very, very safe. So click on add it again. Same process. Any stocks that you think that are between 1 to 3%, go ahead and add those. For now, what I'm gonna do is add the safe ones. I'll add the Vanguard, JP Morgan. Let's So 2.6%, I'll add it here. JP Morgan Chase. All right, add it. Then Citigroup, these are very safe. I'll add it here. Johnson and Johnson, J&J, I'll go ahead and add that as well. So these are very, very safe. So I'll go ahead and add it. Is Bank of America and Intel. I love those. And Intel. Yeah, I think I'll keep it at this for now. I'm not going to invest in everything because it's going to take a long time, but slowly, over time, I'll adjust this and see how I'm performing, and I'll keep you guys updated as well. So let's go ahead and click on add. Again, let's readjust all of these. Yeah, so let's start with give them 10% of each. So I have what, 160 is too much, so let's do 30, and let's do 20 for this, and still 10% more. So what I'm gonna do is reduce this to probably 7% here, 7% here, still over 4%. So I'll do let's do 6%. So as you can see, 100% altogether, and click save, confirm. All right, I think I'm all set. And then also the blue chips, just FYI, I wanted to show you. It has all the technology stocks: Apple, Amazon, Facebook, Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, Google, Johnson Johnson, JP Morgan Chase, and Visa. So I have this, I also added to my portfolio. So as you can see, all these pies that I have currently here, they're all added to my portfolio. So click on invest, and you can see the slices that I have. These are all part of here, and I'm going to invest all $200 into my portfolio. So again, today is Sunday. I'm going to so I'll buy it today, but then it'll be executed on the morning of 10 a.m. tomorrow. So let's go ahead and click buy and sell, and I'm going to invest all $200. I'm going to invest into my portfolio 10 a.m. tomorrow, confirm buy, and that's it. I just submitted my order, and and it has been submitted. So click on done. Top here it says pending buy of 200. So this is pending. Let's click on activity. Oh, by the way, guys, this reminds me. So I signed up using one of my friends' referral link. It gave me $20 bonus. So if you would like to get the same, I think currently they're giving away a $10. So so if you would like, you can sign up using my link. Get a free $10 whenever you sign up using my link, and I'll get a $10, you'll get a $10. It's a win-win situation, and I'll leave the link in the description below. So I think that's it, guys. This is my first video how I grow my dividend portfolio. So make sure to, guys, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and please share it on with your friends and family. Thank you. See you on the next video.